First thing first, you're gonna take off the lug nut. You're gonna use impact wrench. If you don't have impact wrench, you're gonna use cross wrench. You just make your life easier if you use the impact wrench. Next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna slide in your floor jack. Make sure you're jacking up in the right points. Okay, and then you're gonna slide in your jack stand for safety. Okay, something happened. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take off them tires. So there are two bolts that hold in the caliper. So you're gonna take them both out, one top and one bottom. So now I'm gonna be working on the top one, lefty loosey, crack it up. Okay. So there it comes to the point that you can turn no more because the other bolt on the other side keep turning. So you're gonna hold it down, okay, and then you're gonna start loosening them up. All right, once that loose, we're gonna work on the bottom one. Same thing, all right. Same thing. You're gonna turn that, and then you're gonna come to the point that the other bolt on the other side is turning. So you're gonna hold it down with the pliers, whatever you need or whatever you got. Loosen them up. And then once that out, we're gonna pull out the brake caliper, the whole enchilada. You're gonna shake it and bake it, work it out. It will come out. Once that thing is out, what you're looking right now is the star piston. You cannot use C-clamp on this. We're gonna use the special tool. Okay, you're gonna get that to the AutoZone or whatever. Buy one. Okay, so how to set this up? I use letter E. I put the plate down where the piston was, and then you're gonna set it on top and then with the plate. Okay, the plate on the bottom, and then what you want to do to bring the plate up, you're gonna turn it left, counterclockwise, and then once it's up, it's all sitting nice and tight. What you're gonna do, there's a handle on top of that. You're gonna turn it towards to your right. I use a pipe, a monkey wrench, whatever you call that, because this thing is hard to work on. So use whatever you got for leverage. Guys, see, it's getting tighter and tighter. You gotta be patient with this because it's gonna take a while to flush the piston in. So now I'm using the monkey wrench outside. If it can go further no more, I'm gonna turn it with my hand. Okay, see, this is the technique. If you can't go no more further, you're gonna turn the nut to your right to loosen up the pressure on the plate. Okay, turn it to your right, and then when the pressure is loose, you can work it out again. Okay, there you go until it gets tighter. All right, I think I got it all flush. I'm gonna show it to you in a little bit. I'm still working on it. Couple turns. Alright, this is good right here. I'm going to show it to you. So the piston right there is flush. That's the way you wanted it. And now I'm going to grease up the metal part of the new brake pads we can install. Okay, just the metal part. You grease them up. Okay, lube them up. Nice. And we're gonna take off the old brakes. Make sure you get the new one. Make sure they all, they all the same. Line them all up. And then you're gonna clean it up with a brake cleaner. Spray them all out. And then we're gonna put the new pads in. I'm not gonna put the metal clip in. Just like that. Just the way it is, right there. Now you're gonna put the brake caliper in. They all flush. It should come in easy. Okay, because you already pushed the piston. If you don't push the piston in, there's no way you can flush it. So you put the bolt back in on top, and then hold it with the pliers so it won't turn. And then on the bottom one, same thing. Hold it with the pliers. Put the tires back in. Make sure you don't use the impact wrench. Use the cross wrench to tighten them all up. Okay. Alright, and then bring it down slowly. Make sure that everything is clear. And tighten them up with cross wrench, like what I said. Thank you, guys.